Hi there, welcome back to Think Tank Online Learning. So in this video, we're going to look on orthographic projection. So what we need here, we need the left view and we need the front view. And we're going to draw this in first angle projection. That means we're going to have our front view and our left view on the left side of the front view. Okay, so let's do that. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take my set square and just draw a reference line. And I'm using 4H for construction, and I'm going to use HB or B pencil for outlining. Okay, and I'm going to draw the vertical. Again, it's also my reference line. So since I want to draw my left view on the left of the front view, that's going to leave some more space on the left side. Okay, so on the front view, what I'm going to do, I'm going to name the planes which I'm going to see. So when I look right here, I'm going to see width and the height only. So the length is none of our concern when I want to draw the front view right here, looking in this direction. So I'm going to see this plane. I'm going to create plane number 1. And right here, it's going to be the length. It's going to be 0. So this end will be here, because I said that they're going to ignore length. I'm going to see the second plane, plane number 2. Only that and some hidden detail. So let's do that. Okay, so what's going to be the width from here to here? Okay, we're told that is 30. So from there to there, we said it's 30. And we're going to project upward. So we need the height here. So the height is going to be 25. So I'm going to have 25 right here. And I'm going to use my T-square or my tree ruler to draw a horizontal line. That's going to be the overall height. So starting from this corner up to here, even here, is 30. I'm going to measure 30. Okay, and now what do we have? I'm going to measure a distance of 5 from this corner, from here to here, which are given right here. So I'm going to call it 5. I'm going to measure 5 right here, and I'm just going to project it upwards. Okay, and I think we have all we need for the front view. So let's start by drawing plane number 1. I'm going to see it. So right here, we'll see plane number 1. Okay, and we're going to see plane number 2. So plane number 2, we have a straight line here, which is right here. Now going to have a distance of 5 from this corner to this corner, and this line, this corner is going to join this corner. Since I said the length is going to be 0 here, I'm going to ignore it, and I'm going to join those two lines together. Okay, so if we look at our hidden detail, we're going to see this hidden detail line is going to be on this line. It's also going to be on this line, so it's going to be bold. Same for this one, the slanted, it's going to be in the same plane with this one and this one. So that's all we have for the front view. Now let's move on to the left view. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're supposed to project horizontal lines, because I'm going to make them horizontal lines. I'm going to choose a distance, a reasonable distance. Let us choose right here. Okay, and now what is going to be the length? So on the left view, we're going to be concerned with the length and the height only. So the width, we're going to treat width as 0. So what's going to be the length? It's going to be 25 here, 25 here, and yes, 25 again. Yes, 25 again. So the total is going to be 75. But the way I'm going to write my 75, I don't want to measure again and again. So I'm going to measure 25 from this point right here, measure 25 again, and measure 25 right here. So now I'm going to project those lines together. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. So to help some of you, what planes are going to see? So I'm going to see this whole plane. So I'm going to call it plane number 3. And that is the only plane that we're going to see. I'm not going to see right here. So I'm going to treat the width as 0. Right here I'm not going to see. So I'm going to see that's only plane. So I think we have all we need. So now let's outline that plane. So plane 3. This is plane 3. Okay, so this is plane number 3. And what do we need? Okay, so we have nothing here, but if we look at a hidden detail, you can see that hidden detail. So we have to put it to indicate that there's something. You can put the hidden detail. And what about this line and that line? Okay, it's going to be covered with this line, but then the same plane. So that's all we need. And they may ask you to add some few dimensions. So I'm just going to add just the 2 dimensions. If you want to learn how to dimension, you can look on some of my videos. Just go through the description, look for engineering drawing playlist. Okay, so let's add the width. So the width, what is going to be the width here? It's going to be 30. We're going to add the length. And remember, you should draw a drawing using the pencil. Okay, right here. So this is going to be 75. And let's set the height. Okay, need height on set that one. Let's set the height on the front view. So the height is 25 plus 30. That's going to give us 55. So